Working with Formman is super easy. It is a very simple way to add a form to your website, whether that be a static site, like just HTML, CSS, maybe a little bit of JavaScript. You can throw a form in there without building a whole backend. WordPress site, whatever it might be. You can just easily add a form in there. And I'm going to walk you through. Again, it takes about 5 minutes, so you sign up and register and all that kind of jazz. But let's actually create a form. I'm going to add a form. I'm going to call it my awesome form. I'm going to send it to triple nerd score. I'm going to say that it lives on Formman.co. Whoops, I need to add HTTPS. There we go. And I want to say that I want an email when someone responds. And it created my form. So I'm going to show you actually the form that we have on the Formman site, which is this one right here. So when you actually create a form, you can click this install form and it'll give you the basics of what you need. So all you need to really do is create your HTML form just like you would any other website, anything else, with a method of post and then your particular form's action. And all it does is just submit there. You can click that here and it copies that to your clipboard. And then it actually gives you an example form you can throw in there. Now you can throw in any type of field that you want to throw in there, including files if you are a paid customer. Otherwise, you can throw in 10,000 different fields as long as it doesn't like max out your browser there. So for the example one here, it just has a name, it has an email, it has our little honeypot, so it does automatic spam checking, and then submit there too. So there's also a redirect parameter there. So if you wanted to redirect to a success page, you're able to do that easy peasy. So we can just copy and paste that. So right now I've got that same thing on the Formman site, and I'm going to put my info in there. Testing this simplicity. Gonna hit my submit. And now I'm gonna go back to my forms. Check it out. There's my response. And if I go to my email, I will be able to see my new response. Let me bring that over for you so you can see it. There. And you can turn that off if you don't want to do that. It also has a webhook if you want to post response directly into whatever app you're using or a website or some sort of, CRM, whatever that may be. You're able to get that nice and easy. And then it will tell you here if it's a spam response as well. If you want to not see it and just archive it or just delete it totally. And then you can also export those responses to a CSV. We're working on some PDF support there as well. Working on the API support for paid customers so that you can get all of your responses directly into your application. Maybe we'll build like a WordPress plugin, an Expression Engine plugin, a Craft plugin. I don't know what we'll build, but that's all it takes. Easy peasy.